Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be September Ipsy Bag 2018. This subscription bag costs $10 a month, which is so great. You get 5 sample sizes to try. Then if you like it, you will get the full size. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. The theme for this month of September 2018 is who is going to stop me? This is the theme for this month of September 2018. So let's get right into the bag because I know you guys want to know how does the bag look like for this month of September. So this is how the bag looks like. It is so cute with the eyelashes and stuff. Then it has like gold on the bottom and then black on the back and then lashes. It is so cute and it is so adorable, and I like absolutely love this so much. Love it. So if you want to get right into the bag, then let's get right to it. Okay, let's see what's in the bag. So the first thing I see is SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primerizer Primer Plus Moisturizer. Oh my god, I heard of this primer before and I never got the chance to try it, so I'm glad that this is in my bag for this month of September 2018. So this is how the product looks like. So it's a 2-in-1 primer and moisturizer. So let's try this out, and I'm gonna put some on my hand. This is how it looks like, just a white formula. And then I'm gonna put some on my face to prime my face. It smells like a moisturizer, which I love about it. I think a little bit more. Wow, I love it. Can you see the hydration on the face? And it also like supposed to prime my face, lock in all the foundation, and I definitely have to try this out. So I'm gonna try this out all day when I go outside and see if it really locks in the foundation. Like, does it move? Does it really locks in everything? I don't know. Let's see what else inside this bag for this month of September. Okay, so the next thing I see, okay, I see 2 things. Alright, I'm gonna go straight to the third product as well, because this is, okay, so I got NOMAD Light Infusion powder. It's like a highlighter. This is how the packaging look like, and then when you open it, hold on, let me open this thing. It's a beautiful pink color and it's cruelty free. So I'm gonna swatch it. This is the swatch. Such beautiful pink color. So this is like a highlighter, but guess what? Instead of me using this as a highlighter, because this pink, super pink, is beautiful, but I'm gonna use this for something else. I'm gonna create an eye look with it, along with this next product of a black eyeshadow that is called Gunmetal. It's by MEECH N MIA. I never heard of this brand before. But let me take the wrapper off. It's by Disney. So this I'm going on. This is the second product, NOMAD, and this is the third product. I normally don't do this, but since they gave me a black eyeshadow, I had to like combine it and create an eyeshadow look. Starting with the black shade, I'm going in with the crease brush and just dabbing a little bit. So since it's like very pigmented, so let's see, put this in the inner corner and the crease, not in the corner, crease, and do is build up the crease and then take a little bit more to make sure, go lightly because look at that, I'm doing lightly and a lot of product has come out. Just lightly go swish, swish, swish on your crease. Don't go heavy handed because this product is very pigmented, which is so good. I think I'm gonna use this for traveling when I go out. This really is gonna come in handy. And then back and forth. What a nice thing. And then keep going. So after that, since I am done and I build everything up, I'm going to this NOMAD shade, Around the World. The shade is called Around the World, and it's a beautiful pink shade, as I showed you before. So beautiful. And this is supposed to be a highlighter, but let's be creative here. So now I'm taking the shader brush and going in here and put it all over the list. So since I only have like 2 colors with me, I can't do nothing on the outer corner because I need a 3rd shade, and I'm only using 2 shades to create this eyeshadow look. So it's very simple and it's very easy to do. But if I had a 3rd shade, you know I would go do the corner of my eye, the outer corner of my eye. So okay, so now I'm gonna spray the brush because it seems to me that this is not pigmented, but when I swatched it, you saw how beautiful the color is, but I don't know what happened here. So I'm spraying the brush, and now let's do this. So I'm just taking the black shade and it's like going on the crease again. Then taking a little bit more of this black shade. Just going very lightly. Very lightly. The next thing I see is, okay, this is Skone Cosmetic. It's an insanely intense tattoo waterproof eyeliner. So I gotta take the plastic off. So give me a minute. Okay, so this is it. So this is by Skone Cosmetic and it's a black waterproof eyeliner. So I don't know how much is this, so I'm gonna swatch it right now. This is it. It's so black and I like it, and the fact that it's waterproof is really like amazes me. So I'm gonna try this. Okay, the last and final product I have in this adorable cute bag is, this is the product that I got, and it's a NEUMoisture Fix Revive Healthier Hair Protection. I don't know what this is. Okay, so I'm reading the back now, and it says it's a lightweight leave-in, protecting, detangles, hydrates, and so basically this is a leave-in conditioner in this gigantic travel size thing. So it's supposed to hydrate, moisturize, and it's safe for color treated hair. And it says spray on damp hair, and then you can also spray on dry hair as well. So I have dry hair now, so I'm gonna test this out right now to see how, if it really like moisturizes my hair, if it really like keeps my hair hydrated, moisturized, and everything. It says it has vitamins. Yeah. So let's open this up. I want to smell it. This smells so good. You know what this smells like? The scent of this leave-in conditioner smells like vanilla. Yes, I never heard of this brand before, but I love the scent, the vanilla scent. So let's do this. So I'm gonna spray some on my hand. And this is how it looks like. And it smells so good. So I'm going to get some more spritz. And then I'm going to lather, because it's a leave-in cream. And I'm putting some on my ponytail to see if it like really like hydrates your hair. And it says it's supposed to moisturize it to give it like a healthy look. I don't know, so I have a lot of hair, so please bear with me. Okay, so put in the... Okay, so this is it. How it looks like. It does eliminate the frizz. Does it? Because I have curly hair, so I don't know if you can see. It's a little bit frizzy, but it got rid of most of the frizz. Thank you so much for watching. Isn't this bag so cute for this month of September? I really love it. And if you like the parts that I got for this month, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because I don't want you guys to miss out all the fun, because I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.